Okay, question number 17 talks about correlation. If the correlation is close to -1 and 1, that's a very strong correlation. So, if you have a number line, with a -1 and 1, the closer you are to 1 and -1, the stronger the correlation. So strong correlation could be anywhere from 0.85 to -1, of course negative 0.85, or it could start from positive 0.85 to a 1. So anything greater than 0.85 or negative 0.85, that's a strong correlation. So here 0.9, that's of course a very strong correlation. If it's between negative 0.7 and 0.7, these are weak correlations. Anything smaller than that in this area is no correlation at all. Okay? Number 18. Edward draws a card from a deck of cards. He does not replace it, then draws another card. With what is the probability that he draws a heart, then a spade? So, there's a big key here that says does not replace it. That means every time you're calculating your probability, your number of cards will decrease because he is not replacing the cards. So, we know that, okay, so we know we have 13 of each, 13 diamonds. Okay, so when we're looking at the probability, we need to put the total on the bottom, right? So the first time he's drawing, you have 52 total. Now, and we need to know what is the probability of drawing a heart first, then a spade. Well, when you see the word then you're multiplying both probabilities. So let's do the heart first. We know there's 13 hearts, and there's total 52 cards. So the probability of getting a heart the first time is 13 divided by 52. Now, let's do the spade. Now, keep in mind, he says he doesn't replace it. That means I have a card in my hand and I don't replace it. So my number of cards will decrease to a 51. Okay? And the probability of having spades is also 13. So, we can simplify the top and bottom, or you can just multiply 13 times 13 divided by 52 times 51, which will be big numbers that you can't deal with without a calculator. Or you can say, okay, 13 divided by 13 is a 1. 52 divided by 13 is a 4. Then now you got 13 on the top and 204 on the bottom. Because 4 times 51 is 204. If you do 4 times 5, that's a 20, and then you have 4 ones, that's a 4.